Can you play PS Portal and PS5 at the same time? Here's how to do it. First is go to the Add User option on your PS5 and click on Get Started and make sure that the two console panels are already turned on. Next is when you're going to choose a game, make sure that the game option is under player versus player so that you can play through the two console. Next is you can go ahead and add a Type-C cord to the other console or control so that you can go ahead and play with the two consoles on your end. Afterwards, after putting the cord, you have to go ahead and long press the button at the middle of the console that you have. Once you have already long pressed the console, you will see that it will turn on where there is a white light that will appear. This means that your PS4 or PS5 is already ready for two consoles and you can go ahead and use it at the same time.